In our previous video, we talked about the difference between Amazon Affiliate Program and Amazon Influencer Program. If you haven't watched the video, click here or on the link below. In this video, we'll talk about the pros and cons of each program and, most important, which one you should join. And if you watch the video till the end, I have a surprise for you. But before we get started, make sure you visit our website extrahyperactivenetwork.com to learn more about us, what we do, and most important, how you can be a part of our network. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this to learn how you can turn your passion for fitness and travel into a profitable business, or at least make some extra money on the side to support your epic lifestyle. So first, let's go ahead and start with Amazon Affiliate Program. Pros would be it's easy to join, it's absolutely free to join. Cons, you will need a website or a blog, and believe it or not, for many people it's a huge con. Even though nowadays it's possible to start a website or a blog for absolutely free with absolutely no technical knowledge whatsoever, for most people it's a problem. Believe it or not, most people can do something as simple as starting a free blog. For your blog or your website to be easily approved by Amazon Affiliate, you need to make it more or less professional, and you will need at least $15 to spend to get your domain name. Again, believe it or not, for most people it's a huge con. Spending $15 a year for domain name, for most people it sounds like a scam. So anyway, lots of people don't join Amazon Affiliate Program because they can't start a free website or a blog, and they can't afford $15 to buy a domain name. Creating content. Pros, nowadays you can pretty much anybody can create great content, and chances are you already know how to do it. If you have a Facebook or an Instagram, you've been creating content for the past few years. Anything from pictures to videos to descriptions, stuff like this, it's really easy. But for some people, as soon as they realize that they actually need something to write to pursue people to buy something from them, all of a sudden it becomes a huge problem for them. So creating content, written content, or especially video content like this, for many people, standing in front of the camera creating content for YouTube, for example, or short videos for Facebook or Instagram, also a huge problem. So even though it's easy, relatively easy nowadays to create content, for many people it's a huge con. So ask yourself before joining Amazon Affiliate Program, do you know how to create great content? Do you enjoy create content or not? That's a question to ask yourself. Even if you manage to start a website or a blog for absolutely free, even if you create great content, the biggest problem is how other people will find your blog or website. Marketing your blog, new blog or website is a big problem for many people, and it all comes down to learning the basics of marketing. And when it comes to blogging and website, it's all about search engine optimization. You really need to know how to do it. And again, when it comes to search engine optimization or even learning the basics of marketing, for many people it's a huge problem. And even though nowadays there's tons of absolutely free information online about social media marketing, online marketing, content marketing, and so on and so forth, many people just don't have time or not willing to put in time and effort to learn this information. A lot of people who start a blog or who get into affiliate marketing, they believe that it's still possible to make tons of money just by having a free website or a blog. They believe that just creating great content, just sharing content on social media for absolutely free, or even investing a little bit of money in marketing and advertising will be enough to create a huge successful online business. And most people, like I said a few minutes ago, are not willing to be in front of the camera or put themselves out there to let people know even that, hey, this is my blog, I'm the author and I'm proud of what I do. And what I'm trying to say that even if you're running a blog or a website, nowadays it's absolutely crucial to build your personal brand. People need to know who's behind this blog or website, because for people even to check out your blog or website, and especially to click on one of your affiliate links, they need to know who you are, they need to like you, and they need to trust you. That's the only way nowadays to make money in any business, online, offline, blogging, marketing, it doesn't matter. People only do business nowadays with people who they like and they trust. And finally, before you start a website or a blog, before you apply for Amazon affiliate program, ask yourself how much money you're planning to make. Again, it's a very important question, and unfortunately, with all this information that we have nowadays online, with all these online gurus and stuff like that, who tell you just start a blog, just start promoting it all over social media, and you'll make thousands of dollars right away. Again, you don't have to be a social media marketer, you don't have to be an online guru, you don't have to be an entrepreneur. Just use common sense. This is just very simple. If you don't know anything about business marketing, if you don't have a strong personal brand, if you're just getting started, like right now, how long will it take you to learn about blogging, about creating content, about marketing, business? How long will it take you to build your personal brand, to gain the trust of your social media followers and blog visitors and so on and so forth, right? So if you're just getting started, if you're just creating your first content, how long will it take from getting started to making your first $1 or $5 or $10 or first $100? Right? Again, just think about logically, is it really possible to start from zero and go to thousands of dollars a month? Right? Again, just ask yourself this question. Is it possible? Is it logical? Are there people who do exactly the same? Because I know there are. You can take your blog from zero to thousands of dollars if you're willing to put in time, effort, and a lot of money, which, as I've just said, most people are not willing to do, even to invest time and money. So before you join Amazon affiliate program, ask yourself all these questions and see for yourself if it's something that you want to do. Now let's go ahead and go over a few cons and pros of joining Amazon Influencer Program. Again, if you had the chance to watch my previous video where I talked about the differences between these two programs, you already know that joining Amazon Influencer Program is also absolutely free and relatively easy, as long as you have what they say a qualifying social media channel. And this is a huge con, because believe it or not, even right now, nobody can really clearly explain what is a qualifying social media for Amazon, right? One thing for sure is they definitely do not look at how many followers, social media followers you have. It's more than that. They look at the quality of your social media followers. If you have fake followers, if you have lots of followers and no engagement, it's a red flag for them. If you have fake engagement, again, they will know that. They will check it and they will see it, and you will not be approved. They will look at the quality of your content. If it's something related to products that they have on Amazon, or if it's just pictures of your family and food and whatever, just random stuff. So they look at all these things to see if your social media channel qualifies for their Amazon Influencer Program. For those of you who haven't watched my previous video, you already know that I got approved for Amazon Influencer Program almost immediately, because I had been participating in Amazon affiliate program for a long time. So literally, as soon as I apply, even if you do get accepted in Amazon Influencer Program, it's just the beginning. The hardest part is to drive traffic to your influencer page, and most important, to make sure that people actually buying, clicking on those products and buy something. And that's the biggest problem. First of all, because most influencers don't really know much about marketing, so the only thing that they do, they put that Amazon link to their Amazon influencer page in their Instagram profile, and basically tell people just click on the link in profile and buy something. This is not marketing. This is definitely not influencer marketing. So not a surprise, many influencers don't really make any money. So this brings me to the most important, one of the important things about both Amazon affiliate program, Amazon influencer program. You really need to know at least the basics of business and marketing, and most important, you really need to have a strong personal brand. And finally, the last question you should ask yourself is pretty much the same as when we were talking about Amazon affiliate program. How much money can you make as an Amazon influencer? And the answer is, again, the same. It's all about your knowledge about business and marketing, and it's all about your personal brand. And it's especially important when it comes to your personal brand. It's especially important for Amazon influencer program, because remember, you you're planning to make money from Amazon as an influencer, as their influencer. But if you're just getting started, if you're still learning about business and marketing, if you're still building your personal brand, chances are you're not gonna make thousands of dollars right away. So just be realistic. And in conclusion, to answer the question of the title of this video, should you join Amazon affiliate program or Amazon influencer program? The answer is, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter which program you'll join if you don't have even the basic knowledge of business marketing. If you don't have a strong personal brand, you're not gonna make any money whatsoever, or you'll make a few bucks here and there, and eventually you will lose motivation and drive and you will quit, just like most people have done before. As I've said before, tons of people, especially the last 5 or so years, tried affiliate marketing, Amazon affiliate marketing, and very few people succeeded. And again, the main reason why most of those people failed is because they didn't take time to learn about business and marketing. They didn't take time, they didn't put in time and effort to build their personal brand. So if you're not planning to invest time and effort into at least learning how to do it, don't even bother getting started, because let me tell you, it's just going to be a huge waste of time and a huge disappointment. But again, who am I to tell you? Do your thing, give it a try. Hopefully, after going over this cons and pros, you will have more or less of a better idea which program is better and which program you should join. And for those of you who've stuck around this long and watched the video till the end, I have a surprise. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, share this video on social media channel of your choice, leave a comment, done, and get this travel mug. Refuse to be just average. And for those of you who are interested in becoming our full-fledged ambassadors, go ahead and check out our website extrahyperagentnetwork.com to learn more about us, what we do, and how exactly our own ambassadors make money promoting our brand as well as other fitness and travel brands. Thank you for watching this video, and you have a great day.